Warning! If you create videos in only one language, you are leaving 75% of your views and thousands of dollars on the table every single day. Because right now, while you read this, billions of people around the world want to watch your content, but they can't. Not because it isn't good, but because they don't speak your language. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix that for any video or movie into 120 plus languages in just a few clicks, without a single voice actor, studio, or editing skill. Imagine taking any video, one you made, one from YouTube, even a full movie, and instantly turning it into a perfectly dubbed version in Spanish, Hindi, French, German, Japanese, or any of 120 plus languages. Imagine real human-sounding voices with emotion, accent, and perfect timing, not robotic text-to-speech. Imagine waking up to views, subscribers, and sales pouring in from countries you've never even visited, all from videos you already have. That's not a fantasy. That's exactly what DubMash AI does in under 60 seconds. Here's what DubMash AI can do for you. Dub any video or movie into 120 plus languages with one click. Pull videos straight from YouTube or upload from your laptop, desktop, phone, or any device. Automatically detect multiple speakers and dub each voice separately. Perfect for interviews, movies, and conversations. Generate crystal clear, human-like AI voices with real emotion, accent, and tone. Dub any type of content: news, movies, courses, ads, reels, podcasts, and more. Match the original video's timing and pacing perfectly. No awkward gaps or overlaps. Export in one click for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, OTT platforms, and more. And you need zero equipment, no microphone, no recording studio, no expensive software, no voice actors, no editing skills, no language skills. If you can paste a link and click a button, you can dub a video like a pro. It's so simple a 7-year-old could do it. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Because video localization is one of the hottest paid services on the planet right now. Dub a YouTuber's video into 5 languages. That's an easy $300. Localize a brand's product ad or VSL. $700 minimum. Dub a creator's entire online course into multiple languages, $1,500 plus per project. And the best part? DubMash AI does 100% of the work for you in seconds. You just collect the check or build a faceless global empire. Don't want clients? No problem. Take trending videos, dub them into the world's biggest languages, and launch faceless multi-language YouTube channels, Reels pages, and TikTok accounts that pull views from every corner of the globe, all without ever showing your face or recording your voice. One piece of content, reborn in 120 plus languages, working for you 24/7. And the timing couldn't be better. The global video dubbing and localization market is rocketing past $6 billion. YouTube now lets creators add multiple language audio tracks. Netflix, Prime, and every OTT platform are pouring fortunes into dubbed content. Brands are desperate to localize for every market on Earth. The demand is exploding, and there are almost no affordable suppliers. DubMash AI drops you right onto the supply side of a billion-dollar wave. But here's the problem with every other option. It's expensive. Voice actors charge $150 to $300 per video per language. Dubbing tools charge $99 every single month forever. It's slow. Hiring, scripting, recording, syncing, editing. One dub can eat up days of your time. It's complicated, juggling 4 to 5 different tools just to translate, voice, and sync a single video. It's limiting. Most tools cap your minutes, your languages, and your downloads, and still bleed you dry monthly. It's enough to make you give up on the global market entirely. Until now. Introducing DubMash AI, the world's first AI-powered app that dubs any video or movie into 120 plus languages, with human-like voices, automatic multi-speaker detection, and perfect timing in just a few clicks. No voice actors, no studio, no editing, no monthly fees. Just paste, pick a language, and download a broadcast-quality dubbed video in under 60 seconds. Everything packed inside DubMash AI 120+ languages at your fingertips. YouTube link import plus upload from any device, automatic multi-speaker detection, and separate dubbing 200+ human-like AI voices with real emotion and accents. Perfect voice timing that matches the original auto-transcribe plus translate. Edit before you dub. Dub any content. News, movies, courses, ads, reels, podcasts. One-click export for every platform, full commercial license. Sell every video, keep 100% cloud-based. Works on any device. Nothing to install, pay once. Use forever. No monthly fees, ever, and it all happens in 3 stupid simple steps. Step 1. Add, paste a YouTube link or upload a video from any device. Step 2. Pick. Choose from 120+ languages. The AI detects speakers, transcribes, translates, and voices it automatically. Step 3. Download. Export your professionally dubbed video. Ready to post, sell, or scale worldwide. That's it. Paste, pick, download, done. So whether you're a YouTuber who wants to 10 times views by going global, a course creator who wants to sell worldwide, a marketer or e-com brand running multi-country ads, an agency or freelancer who wants a high-ticket service to sell, a news or media page serving international audiences, or a complete beginner who wants a simple, profitable AI side hustle, DubMash AI was built for you. After this launch, DubMash AI goes to $97 per month. That's nearly $1,200 a year. But during this special launch, for a limited time only, you can lock in lifetime access for a single one-time payment of just $14.94. One time. Forever. No monthly fees. No hidden credits. No per-minute charges. You pay once and it's yours for life, including all future languages, voices, and updates. And you're 100% protected. Grab DubMash AI today and put it to the test for a full 30 days. Dub as many videos as you want. If you're not absolutely blown away for any reason at all, just send one email and we'll refund every penny. No questions. No hassle. All the risk is on us. So here's your decision. You can keep creating in one language, reaching a fraction of your audience, watching competitors steal the global market. Or you can click the button below right now, grab DubMash AI for a tiny one-time price, and start dubbing any video into 120+ languages today. But hurry. This price disappears the moment the timer hits 0 and it never comes back. Click the button below and get instant access to DubMash AI now.